NBC 10 News at 10 continues.
Welcome back. Now to politics. A new legal fallout for former President Trump. Prosecutors are now moving to stop him from talking publicly about parts of the case that was just filed against him. Dasha Burns reports from the campaign trail in Iowa.
They want to interfere in my campaign.
Former President Trump blasting the special counsel's investigation into him.
They want to silence me.
Just as those same prosecutors were asking a federal judge to limit what information Mr. Trump could share publicly from the case. In a new filing, they specifically call out this social media post from the former president on Friday. Quote, "If you go after me, I'm coming after you." They argue that, quote, the defendant has previously issued public statements on social media regarding witnesses, judges, attorneys, and others associated with legal matters pending against him.
They are not asking that he be silenced. This is a very limited request that he not be permitted to talk about the actual discovery.
The Trump campaign team pushed back Saturday, saying, quote, the truth post cited is the definition of political speech. And today, a judge gave his legal team until Monday to respond in court. All of this just days after the judge overseeing Trump's arraignment specifically warned him that intimidating witnesses was a crime. But his GOP rivals are now taking him and his legal woes on more directly. Governor Ron DeSantis with his strongest refutation yet of Trump's stolen election claims.
All those theories that were put out did not prove to be true.
How much do Trump's now 3 indictments influence your decision?
It's hard for me to see that he can win.
The indictments, I feel, are unfounded.
A New York Times Siena poll of Republican voters in Iowa finding Mr. Trump is leading Mr. DeSantis by 24 points in the Hawkeye state, a narrower margin than the nation polls, but the poll shows there is an opening for another candidate to take the lead, with about 47% of Mr. Trump's supporters saying they would consider other candidates.